Today, we'll show you how to replace the cover on your Marathon ClickTight convertible car seat. Attach one side of the upper shell cover at the forward-facing belt path. Pull cover over back of shell and secure at opposite belt path. Next, replace the comfort pads. Replace the head restraint by raising the harness to the highest position and reattaching the elastic straps to the rear of the head restraint. Reattach hook and loop fasteners on head restraint around the harness. To attach the lower cover, first open the seat. Pull the cover around the ClickTight bezel at the front of the seat. Ensure seat cover is tucked behind the ClickTight bar. Reattach the elastic loops on the underside of seat cover. To replace the belly pad and buckle, turn buckle retainer sideways and route through belly pad. Route the belly pad and buckle retainer through the buckle slot in the cover. Turn buckle retainer sideways and route it through front buckle slot into desired position. To attach the lower shell cover, first tuck one of the plastic tabs onto the lower cover into the outer side of the shell, between the forward and rear facing belt paths. Thread the harness adjuster strap through the front of the lower shell cover. Pull the rest of the cover over the other forward-facing belt path. And tuck the second plastic tab into the shell. Check to be sure shell cover is secured behind the red markers. Reattach 2 elastic loops at front of lower shell. Close the seat and replace the comfort pillow.